Everybody, it's me, Mrs. Salazar, and I want to talk to you about sequences. Right now in the brown, I have 200, 150, 25, 12.5, and it is decreasing. It's decreasing by being cut in half or divided by 2. Now, to show this, what I want to do is write my sequence generator. My sequence generator is divided by 2, but we write it as a fraction. We write multiply by 1/2. Okay? Now let's find our zero term. Our zero term will be this number and then the opposite of our sequence generator. So we'll do 200 times 2. And that is 400, right? That's a terrible 400. So our zero term is 400. Okay? Now the next thing we need to do is say, hey, is this arithmetic or geometric? And it is geometric. The reason why it's geometric is because we're multiplying. Yeah, we're multiplying by 1/2. So just remember, if you're multiplying or dividing, which they're basically the same thing, it's geometric. And since it's geometric, the equation will be written like this. T of n equals the zero term times the sequence generator to the n power. Okay? So let's make the equation. We'll do T of n equals our zero term, which is 400, times 1/2 to the n power. All right? And that is good enough for me. Now, on your test, I'll ask you to graph it and describe what the graph looks like. To do that, what we do is first make a table. In your table, we grab these numbers. So the first number from the list goes with 1. That's your first term. Your second number is 100. That's your second term. Third number is 50. That's your third term. 25 is your fourth number. 12.5 is your fifth term, right? And your term number, okay? And these are your terms. Graph it. I hope you can see that and the glare's not in your way. So here's my 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And that's your n axis. Here's T of n. And I'm going to have to go by 25s. 25, 50, 100, 150, 200. Okay? Now, 0 is at 400, and I don't have room for that, which is okay. But I do have room for 1, 200, 2, 100, 3, 50, 4, 25, and 5, 12.5 right in the middle. And if we kept going, it would keep going down and down and down, and it would just hover around that n axis. It's decreasing. So then on the test, I would say, describe it. Well, the first thing I need you to describe is the y-intercept. The y-intercept is your 0 number, which is 400. I also would like you to show me or tell me if it's a curve or a line. This is a curve. And then we could say it's decreasing to the right, or it's going down to the right. So we can go down to the right or decreasing to the right. Okay? And that's it. Thank you, everybody. Have a good day.